Hi everyone, I'm Christina, founder and CEO of House of Puff, and welcome to At Home with House of Puff. House of Puff is a women-owned, Latina-led luxury cannabis brand based in New York City. We spend most of our time creating THC products as well as gorgeous accessories that make consuming cannabis chic and easy. But we also want to share all our tips and tricks for enjoying cannabis. So this channel is your destination for a new kind of high culture, one where cannabis plays an integral part of a life well lived. What type of content can you expect to see on our channel? Well, whether you're a cannabis connoisseur or just kinda curious, look to us to break down everything you need to enjoy cannabis more fully. So we spell out step-by-step cannabis how-tos. You can also look to us for tips on finding the right cannabis for you. Plus, we share info about the best cannabis products on the market. And we take you inside exclusive cannabis events across the country. We'd also love to hear from you. If you like certain videos, please like and subscribe so we can give you more of what you want. And if you'd like to see something else on our channel, please let us know in the comments. We read every single one and always reply to questions. Thank you for joining us at Home with House of Puff, and we look forward to connecting with you.